Hi, I'm Dave Johnson, and I'm here in Post Falls, Idaho. And for over 45 years, I've had the pleasure of working with several different really sophisticated health product companies and been able to represent those companies, and over that period of time experiencing some amazing miracles, the transformative power of wonderful products. And thinking back, some are absolutely amazing. Imagine somebody actually getting out of a wheelchair, as an example. And I'm thinking of Carrie Roundy, and this is some time ago, over 15 years ago. And a little bit about her: when she was 9 years old, she contracted youth onset rheumatoid arthritis, and by the time she was a teenager, they told her she would never walk again. She was relegated to a wheelchair. And at the time, I was with a company, and they came along, and I remember Patrick Millsap representing Imaginetics, and there was this really neat stuff I'd never heard of, acetyl myristoyate. This company made a patented complex with a lot of clinical background that it really made a difference regarding issues of joint health. And so Carrie, looking at that and thinking, I want a chance to feel better. I want to do something. And so we've heard the idea that some is good, more is better, too much is just right. And that's what she thought. So I believe the bottle called for 6 capsules a day. She took 18. Well, within a couple of months, she was out of her wheelchair. And you can actually find her on YouTube, Carrie Roundy. I'm interviewing her, and she talks about how she retired her wheelchair, sold it, sold the lift van, and I'm filming her running and jumping. And imagine that. But also the disappointment of a couple of years later, the company announced that they found an improved formula, and the problem was it didn't work. For Carrie, she used it and started going backwards. And after about a year, she just quit using it entirely because she couldn't feel any difference. Well, imagine my delight just a couple of months ago when Rick Deitch, a formulator that's done billions of dollars in sales, talked about his relationship with Imaginetics, and some years earlier making joint health products, and then also doing some research and going to product shows and seeing new formulas and things that have to do with joint health, put together a formulation that included that original acetyl myristoyate complex and some other things that help with tendons and just all sorts of things. So a cornucopia of just wonderful, standardized, potentized, proven products in one product. And so I called Carrie, I told her about it, and within just a matter of weeks, she's made marvelous gains. I'm just so excited because a lot of people, if we get older, that's just the wear and tear on joints, and this is an amazing product that everybody needs to know about.